recycled material. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay now, so let's start. So I took this carton. It's not reusable in my home, so I decided to make a touchboard for my daughter. I cut this circle. You can cut 4, 5 or 6. It depends on you how many sensory activities or touch activities you want to do with your kids. So today I'm using 4 of the different sensory things, like I'm using this pistachio shells for hard texture, cotton for soft texture, for smooth I'm using this phonic sheet, and for rough I'm using this glitter sheet. So I think let's start. So what you have to do is you have to paste it like this on this sheet, so it will be easy to carry, right? And then remember, there should be write-up. It's soft. The soft should be written on the top of it, because it's very necessary to give write-ups from the beginning to develop their language and literacy skills. And the other example is, again, this is the yellow portion is the carton. I covered it with glaze paper so it looked beautiful. Then I took some of these Pampers caps. This is cotton for the soft, and I wrote it down like my daughter used to flip up and look what inside it. So it's very nice for the peekaboo. What's written inside? Oh, it's soft. Peekaboo. It's hard. So you can play different games with them. It's very necessary to make it interesting. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.